afternoon to all of you. We are gathered here for the closing session of the Talents Day of 2025-26. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The aim of education is to show the way in the right perspective so that everyone can meet the coming challenges without any problem. Today is very special to us. We took over the entire academic and administrative charges of Jawahar Public School and carried out the entire administration in the best way. The key is an object symbolic of opening and closing powers and represents knowledge, mystery, initiation, opportunity, and curiosity. It's a tool for recognizing responsibility and discovering oneself and the world around him, along with the self-identity and personal power. Here comes our student principal, student vice principal, and academic coordinator with the golden key. All are requested to be seated. Now I call upon our student principal, Shikha S., to address the gathering and share her experiences.
Good afternoon, dear teachers and my dear friends. First of all, this day has been the most wonderful and special day for me because it has given me certain experiences and memories that are unforgettable. The day has given me a glimpse into the responsibilities, challenges, and dedication that go into leading a school. I thank my dearest teachers for your constant support and encouragement. And definitely, thank you so much, my dear friends, for your amazing cooperation. This experience has taught me the true meaning of leadership, serving with responsibilities, respect, and kindness. Once again, I express my heartfelt thanks to everyone who has made this day possible. I'll always cherish this experience and strive to live up to the values that the school stands for. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I call upon the student academic coordinator, Shreya Satyen, to read the report.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. The experience of an academic coordinator is to blend leadership, administration, and support to well-being of school. It's a role that serves as a vital link between students and teachers. As an academic coordinator, I've had the privilege of seeing how even small academic decision can ripple across the whole school, influencing how we teach, how we learn, and how we grow together. Each choice we make, whether in classroom or in planning, has the power to shape the experience of our students and teachers. I'd like to share a few reflections on what this role has taught me. Not just about education, but about leadership and growth. Being an academic coordinator has taught me that leadership is not about control, but about creating the space for others to shine. It's about guiding, listening, and encouraging innovations and reflections. I've come to see that professional growth happens when we work together, when we share ideas, face challenges with openness, and celebrate success as a team. Happy days ahead. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. There is a brilliant teacher locked inside every student. Our mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be ignited. Now the student teachers are going to share their experiences. It's my pleasure to call the student teachers for sharing their experiences. I would like to invite Sara M. and Swati Krishna of Plus 1C.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. Today, we have a unique opportunity to take the charge of the administration of the school. I was given the charge of UKG A and also taught EVS for 5th D. It was a busy day filled with preparation, attendance taking, interacting with students. I had fun as the classes progressed and realized that being a teacher requires calmness and most importantly, patience and interaction. It was a wonderful experience for me for being as a teacher. Thank you.
Today, I had a wonderful opportunity To be a teacher for a day, it was an exciting and eye-opening experience that helped me understand the responsibility and challenges teachers face every day. At first I was nervous, but as the lesson went on, I gained confidence and enjoyed the interaction with them in many new ways. I realized that preparation and clear communication are very important when teaching. It felt rewarding to see them participate and respond positively. However, I also learned that teaching requires a lot of patience and quick thinking, especially when students get distracted or ask questions. This experience helped me appreciate the hard work teachers put into making learning more interesting and effective. I would like to sincerely thank our principal for giving me this opportunity, and I'm very grateful for the trust and the encouragement shown to me. Overall, it was a memorable and inspiring day that I will always remember. Thank you all. Have a pleasant evening.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my honor and privilege as the student vice principal to deliver the vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion. On behalf of the entire student body and the school, a sincere thank you to our principal, Reverend Father Joshi Mayamparambal CMI, Vice Principal Ms. Girija Kumari ji, Academic Coordinator Diana Sham, and teachers for their constant guidance, encouragement and support, without which none of today's success would have been possible. To all our participants, student teachers, your dedication and teamwork have made this event a grand success. And finally, to our students and audience, thank you for your enthusiasm, attention and spirit. Your presence added energy and joy to today's program. Thank you.
Now it's the time for returning the golden key. The student principal, Shigayas, solemnly hand over the key back to Reverend Father Joshi Mayamparambal CMI.
Thank you, Hannah. Good afternoon and a cheerful welcome. There is no better way to illustrate the experience of teaching than to share the first-hand experience. Today, our students steps into the shoes of teachers, academic coordinator, vice principal, and even the principal. We witness some extraordinary experiences, our students leading the school with confidence, responsibility, and even a touch of fun. The students assumed the role of teachers for the day and observed their classmates' behavior and attitudes. I hope that would give them an insight into their own, providing a motive to adopt a new supportive habits inside their classrooms and in the school. I hope this experience may have given a taste of leadership and also taught them that being in charge means guiding with care, patience, and discipline. We can expect an improved relationship from the student teachers because of their newfound empathy for the instructor's challenging role. Now I request Father Principal to address the assembly and to share his experience, what he has witnessed in the school today.
Good afternoon. Respected Vice Principal Girija Ma'am, my beloved colleagues, and of course, today it starts the student principal, vice principal, coordinator, my most beloved children, and my little ones. Please, if you are talking, I will not say anything. See that we have Jawaharian culture, isn't it? That when anyone is talking to you, You have to listen them or respect them. That is most important. Small children that we can understand, LKG, UKG or 1 and 2. But that is why we are not bringing them here, because they cannot sit for a long time quietly. But you are seniors, class 6 onwards, isn't it? So you can. Otherwise, shortly we will cut off. 6 will sit in the class, 7 will sit in the class, only 9, 10, 11, 12 only will be for the assembly, like that. Because you have to respect who are addressing you. So, today I hope that you enjoyed, isn't it? You maybe experienced your own Chetans and Chechis, taught you, and they took lot of pain and effort. They consulted with the concerned teachers who are teaching the same subject, and they prepared themselves. And I am just seeing that even our principal, student principal, she's a model for all of you, and vice principal and the coordinator is supporting her and arranged everything nicely with the guidance of our program coordinator, Jasmine ma'am, that she was behind for all these things, that for the Students' Day program, Talents Day. So give a loud applause to Jasmine ma'am. That and I congratulate all my class 11 Chetans and Chechis that you prepared nicely and taken the classes, everything that you managed. So give a loud applause to our and also I especially congratulate the leaders, Shikha and her team, the vice principal and the coordinator, that they also looked systematically and all the classes were run properly and that taken care of the children. That is something nice. That I think that this kind of a talent day or students' day that we can keep every month one time, isn't it? And then you also, all the students will get a chance to teach, and they will be able to know how the effort your teachers are taking. The teachers are taking that how much effort for make the things to understand you, to teach you, and even lot of tolerance. That is something great. So this day that especially congratulate all my 11 class children, the leadership of Shikha and all her friends that they prepared, and on behalf of Jawahar, once again I congratulate all of you, and I am seeing that you also cooperated them. So our Talents Day become as really an showing of the talents of your own Chetans and Chechis. So congratulations, and may God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. I request Father Principal to remain on stage for the prize distribution, to cheer our student teachers, to appreciate we are here with a prize distribution. Student teachers are requested to come forward when their names are announced. Now we have the prize distribution. Student Principal Appreciation Certificate and Trophy goes to Shikha S of 11A. Shikha, you are requested to receive your award. Student Vice Principal Appreciation Certificate and Trophy goes to Ajay S of 11B. Student Academic Coordinator Appreciation Certificate and Trophy goes to Shreya Satyan of 11E. Now we have the Best Subject Teachers Award. The Best Subject Teachers from LP section. The Best Subject Teacher in English. The award goes to Devika S. Nair of 11A. The Best Subject Teacher in Malayalam goes to Akshara JS of 11A. Next, Hindi. Sayujya Sandosh of 11A. And the Best Subject Teacher of LP section in EVS goes to Zaira M of 11C. Now we have Max, and the award goes to Arpita JD of 11B. And for AI, the award goes to Ahmad Abrar Nisamuddin of 11B. Now we have the Best Subject Teachers from Upper Primary and High School section. The Best Subject Teacher in English goes to Sana Shasar of 11A. Malayalam goes to Hari Krishnan D of 11C. And for Hindi, the award goes to Adit Tejas Shinu of 11C. The Best Subject Teacher in Social Science goes to Krishnendu R of 11A. And Science goes to Srihari Shaju of 11A. And for Max, the award goes to Mohammad Yazir Mansoor of 11A. And for AI, it goes to Pavitra Suresh of 11C. Now the Best Physical Education Student Teacher Award goes to Gauri Srijit of 11C. Next we have the award for the overall Best Teacher from KG section goes to Devika S. Nair of 11A. Overall Best Teacher from LP section goes to Arpita JD of 11B. Overall Best Teacher from UP and HS section goes to Pavitra Suresh. Next we have the award for the Best Discipline Class. Best Discipline Class in LP section, the award goes to the students of 4B and their teacher. The student teacher of 4B is requested to come forward and receive the award. 4B, teacher can come forward. Next we have the Best Discipline Class from UP and HS section. The award goes to the class 8A. Student teacher and their student can come forward. Teacher along with the class prefects can come forward. Prefects of 8A can join their student teacher. Thank you, Father. Congratulations to all. Thank you all for being part of this memorable experience.